Hi friends, in this video we're going to know that what are the advantages of granite countertops for our kitchen and what are the price of granite countertops and how much it will cost for installing the granite countertops and labor charges. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's begin the topic. Granite countertops are a popular choice for kitchens due to its durability and functionality. Because granite is extremely hard and resistant to scratches, so it is ideal for heavy use areas and it can withstand high temperatures. So placing hot pans and hot pots won't it cause any damage. Even granite comes in a wide varieties of colors and patterns, so making it easy to find a design that suits your style. So friends, now we're going to know what is the price of a granite countertops and how much it will cost to installing the granite countertops for the kitchen. So let me take some example to understand the price. So let me assume that our granite countertop size will be 10 by 2. So the total area of the granite countertops is 20 square feet. The price of a granite countertops starts from 250 rupees per square feet. It ends to 500 rupees per square feet. So let me assume that our granite countertops is 250 rupees per square feet and our countertop size is total area is 20 square feet. So if we will multiply this 250 rupees per square feet into 20 square feet, the price comes is 5000 rupees. So the granite countertop price is 5000 rupees. This is the only materials price and there will be extra charges like adhesives, labor charges. So let we know all these things. Second material which is required to add the countertop or to fix the countertop is adhesive. A 20 kg adhesive bag covering almost 45 to 50 square feet area. So here we consider adhesive quantity is one bag and the price of adhesive of one bag is 500 rupees. Another material which is required is the araldite to fix the countertop, so it can fix very hard and the price of araldite is 500 rupees. So we will add this 500 rupees another. So the total materials cost is 5000 rupees for the granite countertops, 500 rupees is the adhesive and 500 rupees is the araldite. So the total price for materials is the 6000 rupees. And another price is the labor cost. So the labor cost for fitting the granite countertops starts from 70 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the granite countertops, the area and the materials of a quality. So let me assume that 90 rupees per square feet. So if we will multiply this 90 into 20, so almost 1800 rupees to fix the granite countertops. So now we will add all these things like 5000 rupees is the countertop price, 500 rupees is adhesive, 500 rupees light, and the 1800 rupees is the labor charges. So 6000 for materials and 1800 rupees for the labor cost. So the total it comes is 7800 rupees. So to fix 10 by 2 granite countertops, the total charges will be 7800 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate the price for to install the countertops. So friends, if you have any doubts regarding to the price or the quality, or if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So when you are installing the countertops, so always select the granite countertops. There are different types of countertops available in the market like quartz countertops, marble. So but granite is the most hardest material for kitchen countertops and it is ease of maintenance because you daily cleaning with the mild soap and water keeps the surface look clean. And granite is a natural material, so it is eco-friendly and sustainable when sourced responsibly. Granite countertops are also considered a luxury feature and can increase your home resale value. Even you will get different colors and variations. So but most of the in Indian homes there will be, you can see that black granite countertops are used commonly. So nowadays different colors are available like brown, even blue color also coming. So you can select as per your choice and designs, as per your kitchen interior colors. So friends, when you're planning to install the granite countertops, so always you go to the market and confirm the price of a granite countertops and the quality of the countertops. So always check by yourself and check the rate price, and you can give the contractor on the labor charges. So it will all give you some advantages to save your money, and can be install a good quality of countertops. So friends, if you like this video, then please like and share this video, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. So friends, if you like my video, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.